Hello friends, now we are going to see how to increase or decrease phone ringtone volume. So as other phones, like there is some side buttons plus and minus. Using that we can increase and decrease phone ringtone volumes, but in OnePlus 7 we can't do like that. If you press the minus button that is coming from left side of the panel, it won't reduce the phone ringtone volume, it will reduce only the media. If you press plus button, that also it will increase the media volume, it won't increase the phone ringtone volume. So how can we reduce or increase phone ringtone volume? For that we need to go settings. If you open settings, there is a sound and vibration. Press on sound and vibration. Here there is a ring volume, media volume and alarm volume. We can reduce or increase the media volume by using the left side buttons plus and minus. But if you want to increase or decrease ring volume, we need to come to settings and we have to increase or decrease here only by touching and moving this slide. We can touch and move this slide for full volume, and also we can reduce for minimum volume. So we can select like this. So in this way we can increase or decrease the phone ringtone volume. As of now we don't find any other option to increase and decrease the phone ring volume. This is the only way available in OnePlus 7 Oxygen OS. Thank you.